Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can download some Android games on your PC or laptop using Bluestacks. First of all, go to your Google Chrome and we're gonna need to download the Bluestacks, the Android emulator. So you'll use the search box right there and search for Bluestacks. And here, just click on the first link, Bluestacks, best mobile gaming platform for PC and Mac. So click on this one and you'll now go to the main page. So basically, you can now download this latest version, which is the BlueStacks 10. Or if you want to see all versions, you want to click on this see all versions right from here at the bottom. And from here, you will find, if you scroll down, you'll find some specific version based on your needs. So you can check your system compatibility, what BlueStacks is works for your computer. So once you download this BlueStacks right here, so it will open up. For example, I just already downloaded a BlueStacks 10. So I will show you the interface. Now here is the BlueStacks 10 as you can see on your screen. So you'll find here all your Android games. So you can play on your own PC or laptop. You can basically go here on Google Play Store. So search any games that you want to play. So you just need to install. And now you can ready to play that game on your computer. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.